horsey. What's up? How you doing, friend? Hi. I love horses. Come here. That's very majestic. It's very majestic. Come here, friend. Hi. Hello there. Hi. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, friend. Beautiful horsey. Yeah. Hi. Hi there. Say hello. What's up, y'all? You're so cute. You really are. Want to take a selfie? You're cutie. Yeah, you're beautiful. You really are. Sweetheart. Seem very gentle. You gentle horsey. Yeah. You're sweet. See the bunnies. Hey, bunnies. Hey, Bun Bun. What's up, bud? Aw. You alright? You alright, friend? You're a cutie pie. Hi there. You okay? You okay, sweetheart? Hello. Hello. You're sweet. Say hello. Hi, friend. Hi there. What you doing? Oh, turning his back, aren't you? Turning your back? You're cute. Hi, horsey friend. Hi. Hi, chickens. Hi there. Is there something I said? Come here. Here's something in there. Hi, chickens. Hello, pony friend again. What's up? You pushed me. Hey, bud. May I pet you? Oh, you have beautiful fur. Here, Louie. Hi, goats. Hi, friend. Hi there. Aww. Are we friends? Come here. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. I think I made a new buddy today. Come here. There he goes. Peace and love, friend. Peace and love. Yeah. Gave him extra ears. You're a bunny now. He did that. You got beautiful hair. Yeah. Got beautiful hair, my friend. Aw. You made my day. Hi, sweetheart. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. Yeah. You're sweet. Hey, horsey friend. Do you like this? I'm kind of scared. You like this? It's like something the guinea pigs would like. You're not sure, are you? Here. There you go. What's wrong? Thumping? Is that your name, Thumper? Yeah. You're cute. You are beautiful. Inside and out, I can tell. Oh, hi. Hello. Made a new friend. I did. Kind of got a Beatles haircut right there. Don't you? Beatles haircut? You like the Beatles? Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Got my Beatles shirt on. You're right. You're right. Hi, goats. Hi, goats. You're sweet. You are sweet. You're a cutie. Hello. Hello. Get that fly off your nose. You're very soft. You're very soft fur baby, aren't you? Oops, sorry. Yeah. You're cute. You're cute. You're cute. You're a sweetheart, aren't you? Hey. I'm gonna take a picture. Chick-fil. I said a chick-fil. What's that? A picture? Picture? Hi. Oh, pretty. Oops. I hit my head. Ouch. Cute. Little bump. No, it's alright. It's okay, because y'all are cute. Yeah. Hello. I like your noises. Oop, bye. Telling me off. Hi, buddy. Hello there. Look at your tongue. Oh, y'all aren't supposed to be out in heat, are you? I'm sorry. I'd happily take you and love you. I would. I've got piggies. They say hello. They like the stuff you guys eat, too. Y'all are pretty similar, aren't you? You're cute, bud. Yeah. Oh, look at his friend. Hello there. Remind me of Tilly with the nose twitching. She liked to do that too. She was spiritually bunny. Right? You're cute. You're so cute. Like your ears. Like your ears. Pretty bunnies. Pretty bunnies. Yeah. Hey friend. What's this? There you go. See? There you go. You like that? You gotta deal with the flies all day, don't you? Yeah. You're cute. You're cutie. Oh, the flies driving you nuts. I like your haircut. I like your haircut, bud. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Nice haircut. I like your hairdo. I like your hairdo a lot. I felt like I was being watched. Oh. Hi, bud. Indeed, I was. Hello, goat. Goat's the greatest of all times. I like you more. You too. You too, Al. You too. I like you. Did you just show your teeth at me? It's okay. Don't be ashamed. You want some clover? Does that make you happy? I know it makes my piggies happy. Let me get you some. Here you go. This will make you happy. Ow. Yeah, I told you. I told you. Look at that. You're a happy camper now, aren't you? Happier. Come here, friend. I got some for you, too. Yeah. Yeah. Look. Noise. Yeah. The baby. Got that? Here, Louie. Hi, goat. You want all the attention, don't you? Hi.